We're looking here at version 3 of the Rangecast player. In the latest update, we removed the combined forward and reverse button by the play and pause controls. These had duplicated the forward-reverse buttons that were also available above the player console here and here. So the reason we did this is that the control could be confusing for new users. You'd naturally think that a forward undoes a reverse, but let's look at what actually happens. If we start out in monitoring mode, as indicated here on the player text and in the white control at the top of the screen, this is a mode that skips less important transmissions as needed to stay current. By going reverse and then going back to forward, you lose that real-time lock. We're now showing forward in text down here, and the forward arrow is on, indicating this is playing every transmission one at a time and not skipping anything to stay current. As a result, by simply going to reverse and forward, which you would think brings you back to the state you were in, you could lose that real-time lock and start falling behind if your system has a lot of audio. The solution is to tell the player if you want to go forward or backward through every transmission, which is what forward and reverse do, or if you want to ensure that you stay current, which is the function of monitor. This is made clearer by not having a forward control that looks exactly the same for two very different modes of operation. Now we'll switch over to look at version 4 of the player, and reverse and forward for stepping one transmission at a time are accessed here at the top of the screen. This control for forward and this control for reverse. When you're done going forward and backward looking at an event and want to return to real-time listening, press monitor.